The Dog and the Donkey. There lived a dog and a donkey in a house of a rich man. The dog guarded his house and the donkey carried load for him. It was a hot afternoon. The dog was sleeping under the shady veranda. There was some noise outside. The dog just lifted up his head and went back to sleep. The donkey asked, "Why don't you bark? It could be thieves." The dog replied, "Mind your own business." But the donkey would not listen. He wanted to save his master from thieves. He started to bray. The master, who was sound asleep, caught wild with the donkey and came running out with a stick and gave hard beating to the donkey. Moral: it is always better to mind our own business. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.